Little storyteller.
Lily loved to play in her sunny bedroom. Her favorite toy was a fluffy white bunny named Snowball. One day, Lily's friend Tom came to visit. Tom had a shiny red toy car that Lily really wanted to play with. "Did you bring any cookies, Tom?" Lily asked, even though she knew her mom had eaten the last ones this morning. Tom shook his head. Lily felt a little sad, but then she smiled at her big round mirror on the wall. Suddenly her reflection in the sparkling glass made a funny face, sticking out its tongue. Lily giggled, but her reflection kept wiggling its ears and crossing its eyes. "Silly mirror," Lily said. She looked back at Tom and the shiny red car. "Actually, Tom," she said, "we don't have any cookies today. Mommy ate them all." As soon as the words left her mouth, Lily looked at her reflection. The funny faces stopped. Her reflection smiled back, a normal, happy smile. Lily learned something new that day. Her talking mirror only made silly faces when she wasn't being honest. When she told the truth, her reflection was happy and still. Lily smiled at Tom. "Let's play with your car," she said. Tom grinned. Playing together was even more fun than having cookies. And Lily knew that being honest made everyone happy, even her reflection in the big round mirror. The magical talking mirror taught Lily that telling the truth always feels better than telling a lie. Just like Lily's reflection, when we are honest, our hearts feel happy and calm.
Please subscribe. Thank you.